Electrical cells are the source of electrical energy which is obtained from chemical. In electrical and engineering, electronics a combination of two or more electrochemical cells are called battery. There are many types of battery like as lithium ion, nickel hydride battery, lead acid battery, nickel cadmium battery, zinc carbon battery, lithium iron phosphate battery, zinc carbon battery, zinc manganese dioxide battery. The unit of cell is volt and symbol is this, and the symbol of battery. Battery is the combination of cell. Now, how does cell works? As we all have know, cell contain two electrode, one positive and another is negative. These electrodes are made by electrolyte material that which easily appear in electrolyting process. By electrolyte process, electron and produced electrical ions start to move negative to positive terminal. Whenever conductive material are presented in between positive and negative terminal, the electron moves negative to positive terminals. The first electrical cell was invented by Alessandro Volta in 1800 century. This cell was known as voltaic pile cell. Mr. Alessandro Volta is Italian scientist. He was proposed that electric current can be generated by contact between different metals. Volt unit is arrived by his name Alessandro Volta. Kind of cell. There are two types of cell: primary cell, secondary cell. Primary cell are those which cannot be charged again once their charge is exhausted. After this, they becomes useless. Now here some primary cell are seeing in screen. Those cells are using in remote controller, wristwatches, wall watches, toys. Primary cell are dry cell, voltaic cell, Lagrange cell, Daniell cell. Now we will discuss about secondary cell. Secondary cell are those which can be recharged many times, called secondary cell. Here two things are matter. During recharging process, the efficiency and quality of chemical composition get reduced, and another is it will charge only with DC charger. It means the secondary cell is bidirectional. Once a cell have convert chemical energy to electrical energy, it will again store electrical energy in form of chemical. Some example of secondary cell are addition cell, iron nickel cell, lead accumulated cell. Now usage of secondary cell. Secondary cell are used for electronic devices like laptop charger, mobile charger, electrical vehicle charger, UPS batteries, where charging and discharging are required many times. Secondary cell are costly as compared to primary cell.